Dude, I don't know what's going on with this mail time stuff recently, but I've been like hoarding boxes, it feels like, because we got like 2 bags and 2 boxes right here, 4 packages over here. There's too many boxes, but we have another gigantic mail time because I'm basically a hoarder now and I just don't have time to get to these boxes. It's good for the channel because we can open all of them together at one time, saves you guys watching multiple videos. There's a lot of dope pickups in here, and honestly one of them is, ooh, I'm really excited for one certain box. That'll be the box at the end. It's a shoe that I've wanted since they started leaking the images, and I actually bought it for a resale price, which was not cheap. So another gigantic mail time coming up right after this.
Hey, that's the Cole Hay from back in the day. Hey, yeah, just a youngin' with a dream, trying to get this money out.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled White here, coming at you once again with another gigantic mail time, guys. I don't know what's going on with how much stuff we've been getting, but it's just been accumulating and I decided to open it all up in one single video. So lucky you guys for watching this video. Anyway, for the guys wondering, because you guys only watch the videos and you don't follow social medias or look at the community tab, I actually announced the winner for the Hypebeast mystery box giveaway, which is in the community tab of this channel. So if you guys click over there, you're able to see who won. Congratulations to the winner. Very, very stoked for you. Your prize is on its way, man. So we've been getting like a lot of winners from the East Coast, which is insane because that's all the way over the Pacific Ocean, then across the entire country just to get from Hawaii to your East Coast doorstep. So thank you to you, man, for entering, and thank you to everybody that entered. There will be a lot more giveaways in the future though, so don't worry if you guys did not win this time. There is a next time for sure, I promise. Anyway, let's get into the mail time. So the first thing that we got, it's actually 2 of the same package, but I ordered twice. It's something from Yeezy Supply that I ordered probably like 2 months ago, but it only arrived now, and I completely forgot about it because it took so long to get here. But let me open it up and show you guys what it is. So it's actually pairs of the Calabasas socks that Kanye released. It was funny because before I tweeted about how ridiculously priced these socks were. I think before it was like either 50 or 60 bucks for 3 pairs of socks, which is absolutely insane. And I would never ever buy socks for that price, but he like low-key kind of dropped these for $15, I think. It was 15 bucks for 3 pairs of socks, so it comes out to like 5 bucks a sock, which is like less than Stan stock. So I was like, you know what, I'll pick it up now. These things are pretty dope. It comes in black, beige, and like this light blue. And because it was so cheap, I decided to double up. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's still available on the website, but I would highly recommend it because these things do feel like it's pretty good quality. And I mean, for Calabasas caliber socks, I mean, 5 bucks a pair isn't bad. So yeah, very happy I picked these up. All right, and we did have one other bag, and this is like another order that I completely forgot I ordered. This is the problem when you buy a whole bunch of shoes and like Hypebeast clothing and stuff. You order things, and because you order so much stuff, like either to resell or obviously to wear, it kind of gets all backed up, which is why it's good to keep like an Excel sheet of everything you purchase, because if not, you might forget about what you ordered. Some guys take like forever to ship, it sucks. Anyway, this one is from Dick's Sporting Goods, and yes, Dick's Sporting Goods is a random place to buy stuff. What we ended up getting was actually cheaper on there than it was on Nike. So you guys can see over here, it's that PSG Jordan jersey, which I was thinking is really, really dope. I don't know how you guys feel about this, man, but I love this thing, dude. Has that Fly Emirates right across, and you guys can see that Paris Jordan branding right there. So yeah, I think this is a really clean jersey. And you know what? Funny, because I actually ordered this on Nike because I was figuring, oh, it's gonna sell out really quick. And it did, but it was for like 100 bucks. And I was like, oh, that's kind of steep, but I still wanted it. Then maybe a few hours later, they actually dropped on Dick's Sporting Goods, and you're able to use discount codes to get it all the way down to like 60 something bucks. And I was like, what the heck? I just spent 100 bucks on the original one. What happened there? So I was like, what the heck? I don't want to burn 100 bucks when I could spend 60. So I ended up ordering both at the same time, but I returned the Nike one because Nike allows free returns on anything for 30 days. So pro tip to you, if you guys are buying shoes or buying clothes, if price goes down or you guys end up seeing like a sale somewhere else, you can actually return your Nike item. Just don't wear it, obviously. Then it gets a little bit harder to return. But yeah, that's what I did, and I saved 40 bucks on getting this, and I'm stoked because this is a clean jersey, man. PSG, dude. All right, so we talked about it before. Anytime you see this white tape, it is a Nike box. So let's see what we got. And look at how quality this Jordan box is, man. You guys should probably know what this is from seeing this right here. It actually is the Wings Jordan 5. There's so much different detail on here. This green over here and this green over here actually glow in the dark, which is kind of cool, dude. So what's cool is that Jordan Brand actually took some of the artwork from the guys that were at the community center, and that's what turned into this shoe. So I really like this, really love the story behind it. Very, very cool concept, dope shoe overall. And the boxes are beginning to pile up in the back. What else we got? Oh, that's right. Okay. So a bunch of that stuff is a little bit older, but this is more recent kind of releases. So this one is a size 11. And as you guys can see right here, we actually got a pair of the Cousteau Zoom Flies, guys. And these things are pretty fire, dude. Not gonna lie. These are freaking dope. And if you guys didn't know, Cousteau is actually a company out in Japan that focuses more on like running and that kind of thing. So they do a lot of collabs with Nike every single year. Typically, the shoes aren't very great. The clothing, I actually have a couple of the clothes in the back. Those are dope. I really like the clothing. But for the shoes, not really. I don't really like the models and stuff. But thankfully, they actually put it on a popular model now. And you guys can tell it has like a purplish vibe on there, which is pretty unique. Has those crossbones here as well. And you guys can see that Cousteau branding over here. So overall, pretty dope shoe. This is going to be my new gym shoe, man. I needed a new gym shoe, so I'm stoked over these. Very, very happy with this pickup. So next shoe should actually be from StockX. And I'm pretty excited for this one. Not as excited as I am for that last shoe, but this one's pretty hype as well. Nothing more beautiful than seeing this particular Nike box in a cardboard box, man. You guys already know what it is. It is a size 11 Jordan 1. This is the Jordan 1 Pine Greens, guys. And man, this is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Look at that. That leather is so freaking clean, dude. So as you guys already know, I say it in a lot of videos, I'm actually an alumni of UH Manoa. Go Warriors, man. Our team is actually good at football this year, which is insane because usually we suck. But we're good this year, so gotta rep the home team, man. And green is our color, so I really wanted a pair of Jordan 1 Pine Greens with that green StockX, so you know it's legit. Very, very, very much in love with this shoe, dude. I love this. I love it a lot better than that purple one, which I know is kind of up for debate. A lot of guys like the purple one better, but man, your boy likes this green. This is clean. So this will definitely be going on feet. I'll probably post some pictures on Instagram and stuff because I'm excited to wear these. It will be on my feet today. What is this box? Sneakers and stuff. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Whew. So many boxes in here. I gotta clean up again. This one is a size 11 Air Presto acronym, which I'm sure you guys already know what this is now. And there it is, guys, that racer pink acronym Presto. And it is just freaking beautiful. Look at this thing. This is awesome. So you guys have seen this shoe a lot already probably, and you know what? I really, really wanted this shoe. When I did that top 10 video a while back for all the shoes that were releasing in September, this was one of the ones that was on top of the list. I like that black one that we got in the last video, but I really wanted this racer pink just because it stands out so much, guys. Like, look at all those colors, look at that pop. But it was kind of going for more than the yellow and the black pair, obviously, because it stands out more. So I wasn't about to pay resale for it. Thankfully, what was cool is that Sneakers and Stuff, again, has been doing this thing where they've been releasing shoes that I guess didn't sell out or people didn't pick up online. So they've been sending it to people that entered, give you a link, and you guys are able to buy the shoes on their website like directly. So I was really quick, click, 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 and there I am with this pair for retail from Sneakers and Stuff. So really stoked for this. This is definitely going in the collection. Very, very dope pickup. And finally, you guys made it to the end, and I was hyping up this particular box since the intro of this video, man. And it is because I paid resale for this thing, and I never pay resale for any shoe. I mean, you guys just saw that StockX Pine Green. That was one that was on the list, and I really needed it, so I paid the resale. But it was not anywhere as crazy as resale for this one. So let's open it up. The suspense is killing me, man. I am excited for this box. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? I don't know if I'm ready, man. Nike swoosh. What could it be? What could it be? It is a size 11 and it is an off-white. StockX, like I said, I had to buy for resale, which sucks, but I'm hoping that I won't be disappointed when I pull this thing back and you guys see. Oh man, look at this thing. So you guys already know what this is. This is the All Hallows Eve off-white blazer, and man, guys, this is freaking fire in hand. Like, look at that. This is crazy. So first things first, zero regrets now that I'm looking at this thing. I paid a pretty good amount on resale for it, which is competitive over where it is. I didn't get any discounts or anything like that, but it's because I really like this shoe, dude. So we did a poll on Twitter and I actually asked you guys if you guys like the black pair or like this pumpkin cotton color instead. And it was like almost 50-50, which was really surprising because I thought everybody would like this one. Like, it's the unique one, it stands out the most. So this one I really wanted just because it was very standout and it's just fire. Look at that. That is super fire, man. So stoked over this, and I'm excited to get these things on feet, man. So you guys will see a lot of on feet pictures of these coming up. I am pumped. Worth the wait, right? Worth the wait to see that unboxing? I think so. This is freaking sick. This is sick. Ugh. Okay, enough of that. Really pumped over that shoe, as you guys can tell. But thank you guys for watching all the way till the end of this video, man. I don't know why you guys like watching me unbox stuff, but I'm really happy you guys like join me basically when I'm doing this stuff. You guys can see my excitement, learn a little bit about how I cop these things, and main thing is that I'm just happy you guys enjoy it, you know? So that is dope. Thank you guys again for being part of that Ohana. If you guys are not part of that Untied Ohana already, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, join the family, comment down below if you guys are here within like the first hour, 2 hours. Usually it's like up to 4 or 5 hours, man. I try to respond back to all of those comments, so chances are I've responded to you, whoever you are behind that screen. So if you guys are new to the channel, comment down below. Love meeting you guys, love hearing about your guys' stories. And if you guys do like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. It does help the video, it does help the Ohana grow, it does help the channel, so click that like button. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots.